welcome back. As you can see, we're back in the truck. This is the second part of possibly a 3-part series. Don't know yet. We'll find out. We are continuing on making the cage vase. So, we're continuing on this. And so, let's look at my comments on last week's video, see if there are any. If not, that's fine. I'll just choose which stone. But, let's just take a look here. My videos, no views. Alright. Fair enough. It's only been 2 days. But I do need to continue recording. And I'm trying to record earlier and earlier so that I have a bit of a set of things that I can start messing around with. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to choose a stone. But that's alright. It's still going to be fun. So let's get started. Alright, so I decided that when I first thought of this, the 2 centimeters was a little too small. I'm still going to go through with the 2 centimeter one, but that's just going to be a quick one. I went with a 4 centimeter long pole or rod around a circle. And I believe the circle, let's see, the circle is about a little over a centimeter in diameter. So, I decided to go with this because I felt like the first design was going to be too small. And I'm gonna still go with the first design. I'll probably show that in another video. But, this design, right now it's 4 centimeters. So by the time it's done, it's probably going to be about 3.5 centimeters, which is a fairly decent sized pendant. It's only going to be about that long. So, let's get started. Alright, so all of these are now all cleaned and slightly flattened. I torched it a little bit to try and let them keep where they are so that it'll hold a little bit better. But let's do these one at a time. I think that'll be best. Now I'm going to let it cool off before I try moving it, so that I don't ruin any of the tongs here. Yep, so that happened. Alright, so it seems like I overheated it and it cracked some of the pieces. So I'm going to clean them off and then try resoldering those pieces back into the circle. Hopefully it works. Yay! So I figured that it would be easier just to make a new circle, clean all these spokes up, and retry this. Okay, so I cleaned all the pieces. I made sure that I dipped them in the pickle just to make sure that they're extra clean. And now I'm going to reset up. Okay, so 2 of these spikes didn't take, so we're just going to quickly solder them. Alright, so 2 of these did not go, so let's solder them. Alright, so that was a lot of work. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to have to finish this on the next video next week. So far we've got the circle. I think next week we'll bend it, put the stone in it, and finish it off. I think that's a fairly good idea. So because unfortunately it's getting late and I need to go to bed. So if you liked this video, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and then you'll get notified whenever I make a video. And hopefully I will see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful evening.